Hi guys, my name is Lavis Good and today is another beautiful one. Today I'm going to be expounding on how to make her fall in love with you. So stick and stay with me. I'll be taking you through. Many of us has get a chance of meeting beautiful damsels, but we are unable to win their hearts. The things we say to them, the approach that we give them, turn them off. Sometimes when we meet them for the very first time, we want to get every information that we want from them on that very spot. It doesn't work that way. If you meet a lady, you ask them everything or you want to know everything about them on that very day, it's not something they will buy into. If you're proposing love, inviting them, you are telling them you have this, you do this, you do that. No, that's the wrong way. However you have been doing it, you are doing it the wrong way. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on all handles. Let me take you through how to propose a girl or how to make her fall in love with you. My name is Lover's Code. First on my list is you steal her heart. Say you should steal her heart. What do I mean? I basically mean if you want a girl, if you meet a girl, there are two ways you can approach her that would interest her to give you the attention that you need. Now, number one, you have to be creative. That is a must in all aspects. That is a must. If you want a girl or if you meet a girl at that very spot, at that very moment, you have to be creative. Now, when I say creative, what do I mean? You have to be someone who can tell jokes. You have to be someone who can make her laugh. Laughter is something that everybody wants or every person wants in life. So if you're able to make her laugh, definitely you have her attention. And if you have attention, it means that you are making some progress. Now, how do you make her laugh? You have to crack some jokes, tell a story, anything at all that can make her laugh. If you are unable to cheer her up, you might not have the chance. You might not have the opportunity to, get to know her or anything else. Not to even think of getting to be in a relationship with her. So the first thing you must do is know how to make her laugh, know how to crack jokes, know how to create something unique. Like you have to be creative. I mean, talk about anything interesting that people would love to hear, that would cheer people up, that would make people, get attracted to you. So this is very important. If you meet a girl, you have to be creative. If you're unable to be creative, then you might not get a chance of, having the attention that you need. Definitely, if you don't know how to be creative, then you have to start learning them. Because to win a girl or to get her attention, you would definitely need that. I know that you do meet a lot of girls. What happens is that you are afraid to approach or you are scared to approach. You don't want to be bounced. But this is a simple terms or simple things that you would do that you wouldn't be bounced. Even if you are bounced, it wouldn't be something that would be that obvious, okay? So be creative. Try and cheer her up, make her laugh, try and make her feel at home. Try and make her feel like you already know her. Talk with confidence. Number two, if you are someone who is not funny, if you are someone who can't tell jokes, then this is what to do. You have to create coincidence. You have to create a moment for her to come and fall in, or a trap. Not a trap that will hurt her, but a trap that will get you involved in assisting her in anything. Okay? So if you're able to assist her, she has no option but to listen to you whenever you talk to her or when you are going to talk to her. And so create an atmosphere where she will need your help. You got to be creative. Try and create something, anything at all that will get her, like that will get attention. You have to do it. If you're able to do it, you see that you'll get close to her or you guys will be close together. Then you will have the chance of interacting with her. Moving forward, you'll be able to take her number, her handles, or anything. And if you're able to take that, then it means that you are making progress. So the number one thing to do is to steal her attention. If you're unable to steal the attention, then I don't know how you will be able to get her, to be talking to you or to get her number. So number one thing you must do is to steal her attention. That girl that you see, that big girl that you see, don't be scared to approach. Just be creative. If you are creative enough, you are confident, you'll be able to approach her without any fear. And whatever you say, they will listen, they will give you the contact, they give you the handles for you to follow up. And from there, you build up from there. So second on my list is you make her happy. You are, like I said, you have to be creative. You have to find a way of, getting her attention. And her attention, maybe you took the number. After taking the number, you've been able to have conversations with her and all of that. Now, the next thing to do is try to surprise her. Try to get her some gifts without her asking for it. Try to find out some petty stuff that she's interested in, enjoying or doing for fun. And you get them for the hair. Sometimes you can even take her out to watch some movies at the cinema, to do anything at all. Just trying to get her attention. Try to entertain her. Try to do anything that would make someone or a person happy. If you're able to achieve that, you would be having the necessary attention that you demand or you want from her. It would be good or it would be appropriate that you are able to entertain her. It's a gradual process. Like I said, it's a gradual process. If you're able to cheer her up, take her out, make you give her that moment she can't forget about, she will definitely stick with you. You know, whatever move, whatever everything that you do with her, make sure that it sticks in the mind. Let it stick like a tattoo. Let it remain on her mind. She will always reminisce about it, and you have the chance of getting to be in a relationship with her. It's every girl's dream to be happy. So if you're unable to make her happy, definitely well, you're not going to get what you want from her. And so definitely well, it should be someone who is nice, who is gentle and all that. You definitely need that. You definitely have to make her enjoy every moment. Don't leave her like that. I mean, create something. Sometimes she could be down, you'll be the one to cheer her up. And so you should be able to do that. If you're able to do that, she will keep developing something for you. And so by the time you realize, you are already in love with her, or she's already in love with you. And so it's so easy to do. But if you don't follow these steps, you might not be able to have her attention. Or even if you have, you might even lose her along the way. And so this is very important. You have to put it into consideration when you are making these moves. Now, you had a chance of taking her out. You spent some time together and everything. The next thing you must do, or you should do, is you get to know her. Now, you want to know the story about her. You would want to know about her family, what are her aspirations, whatever that concerns her or she's interested in doing. You have to know all of these things. You have to know her do's and don'ts and everything. Then it means that, you are making some progress. And with the steps that I am talking about, if you are able to do the first, second, and this one, you see that, she begins to connect with you. She begins to openly have, mutual conversation with you without holding back. It's so easy to talk to her. It's so easy to get attention. It's so easy for her to fall in love with you at this stage. It has been like a series of trying to shape love or, build something. And so even if she was not feeling it or she's not feeling anything for you, at this stage, she'll begin to develop something for you. And so they open up so easily to you, then you get to know them very well. You see, most girls or some girls don't like it when you make your intentions clear to them from the very beginning. It turns them off. It's like they already knew your intention or they already know why you came in for their number, wanting to get their attention and all of that. But they don't want you to make it obvious because she might not be in love or she might not feel in the vibe with you, okay? So she's giving the chance to talk to her because she wants to build something for you. And at the very beginning, if you go in asking unnecessary questions, they will just see at a red flag and then, let go. But if you're able to follow these steps, you see that by the time you reach this stage, you see that they've developed something for you. They've developed something that they themselves are not even aware of. And so it's so easy to give in. It's so easy to open up to you and everything. It's like you're already sharing a life with her together already. You have something mutual going on. And so it's so easy to communicate. She feels free, she'll feel relaxed talking about anything or discussing anything with you. She can even tell you about the things that you would not ask for. They open up so easily. They tell you about their past relationship and all of that. And trust me, if they begin to talk about their past relationship or what they've been through in their relationship, it means that, you are making progress. You are getting there. And so soon enough, you would have the chance of, getting to be in a relationship with her. Fourth on my list is you show her respect and know your boundaries. They say respect is a reciprocal. And so if you give them that respect, if you give them that space they need to, do whatever they want to do for themselves, you don't try invading their privacy. You don't ask questions that you are not supposed to. I know I told you to ask questions, but there are certain questions or there are some questions you can't ask them. There are answers you might need, but if they don't bring it up, you don't have to ask them. Okay? They themselves will bring it up when they are ready. And so there are certain questions that you don't have to ask them. Now, you can't just wake up one day and just you feel like, oh, you already know her, you've been in contact with her, so you just open up your phone, then you video call her you expect her to answer. No, it doesn't work that way. That is a red flag. If you want to show respect, knowing your boundaries, you don't have to video call someone without you asking for her permission before you proceed to doing that. Some guys will just wake up one day and then just hit the video call button, then they just call her on video call. If she doesn't answer, then they get mad, they get bored. But trust me, did you ask her if she's ready to be in a video call with you before you even called? Do you know where she is at that particular time? Do you know whom she is with at that particular time? Do you know what she's doing at that particular time that you called on video? One thing you should never do in your life is to call a girl on video call without asking for her permission. Know your boundaries. Know what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. You don't go to their house just because you know there without being invited. There are certain things you must not do when you are finding a new relationship or you are trying to find a partner whom you want to share your life with. You can't say you know her and so she left her phone, so you just pick up the phone, you are going through her messages, you are going through her gallery or whatever. You don't do that. So respect yourself, know your boundaries. When you are talking to her, show some respect. Know the tones to use when you are discussing or having conversations with her. You should know the words to use, your choice of words and everything. And it's not just about that. It's not just about her. Even when you talk to people around you or around her in her presence, you should know the tone, the languages you should use. That could be a turn off. If you don't talk well, if you insult people, you talk harshly to people, that would be a turn off for her. Even though you didn't talk to her in that manner, for her to see you talking to people that way, it's a no for her. You could be at the edge of, she falling in love with you or she giving you the chance. But because you are impatient, because you didn't know the boundaries and everything, you mess everything up. So there are things you shouldn't do when you are looking for love or when you find a girl whom you are trying to, create a love affair with or whatever it is. Last on my list, which is the fifth, is confess your love to her. There is a difference between I love you and confessing love to her. Now, I love you is just like you are saying it to her. It doesn't really mean much. But for you to confess your love to her, it's very different. Now, let her know how you feel. Let her know the reasons why you came into her life. Let her know the reasons why you did all these sacrifices or you wasted all these times to, just be with her, just to get her attention, just to get her contact, just to show her some love, okay? Just make her understand how much she will mean to you, how beautiful your story will be together with her being in the picture. Let her understand the value that she will be bringing and the value that you will be bringing. Let her know the importance of you being in her life. All these things must be stated to her. Let her know the reason why she should fall in love with you and you are falling in love with her. Let us know how far you want to go with her. Let us know your intentions, your clear intentions. Let us know your dreams, your aspirations, everything that you want to establish, you want to work on. Let her know. Make it known to her. If you have something that you feel like it might turn her off, or if she find out later, she won't be able to deal with it, or she will leave you. Don't worry about it. Just tell her. If she loves you, she will love you for who you are. You don't have to hide anything from her. My name is Lovers Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and all these social media handles. My name is Lovers Code. I'm out.